Hi friends, welcome to my channel Startup Dreams. My name is Shravan Kumar Bandi. It's been so long time since I made my introduction video, but due to COVID-19, I stuck in a red zone where I can't move from there and I don't have proper internet facility. Finally, I am back and as promised in my introduction video, I am going to introduce every week a founder of a startup or CEOs. So before introducing, I'm going to tell you necessity is the mother of all inventions. We are facing a situation, we call it as a COVID-19 or Corona, whatever it is. This situation was never faced in human history, and we can't trust anyone, we can't go outside, we can't touch anyone. People are losing jobs, and even many companies are shutting down. But only few bright people, only few great minds will take it as a positive, and they are investing and they are creating jobs. So today's our guest, his name is Satish Mohapatra. He is one of those person who is creating huge employment in this present situation, taking it as an advantage. And right now he employs around 30 people, and he is looking for more people, freshers or for fresh graduates. So let's welcome Satish Kumar Mohapatra. Yeah, now it's recording.
Yeah.
So friends, now I'm going to introduce CEO of the Water app. Hi Satish, how are you?
I'm good, Shravan. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine doing. Thanks for asking. So as mentioned earlier, I'm going to ask Satish Mohapatra about his app and everything. So first question, hi Satish, can you brief about your the Water app?
Yeah, sure, Shravan. So, Shravan, we have started our journey, I guess, like 1 year back, actually. So, we have done an intense research into this water delivery system, and we found that there are many challenges, let it be in the user part or let it be in the supplier part. They are facing many kind of challenges, and there is no structured channel for the water supply or water delivery. Okay, so like being staying away from my place and being a migrant to Hyderabad, I also use this water can for my day-to-day purpose, and that's where the entrepreneurs come up with an idea, or they try to solve a problem. So I also face this problem. I order water cans, but I don't get in time, or there is no flexibility in the system, and there is like it's not a fault of a vendor also. Okay, like vendor का भी कुछ problem नहीं है. They also don't have any fault, but the fault lies with the system. Okay, the way they are doing their operations, or the way they are managing their operations. Okay, so sometimes like I found that like if I'm stuck at office late night till, and suddenly I remember that I don't have water at my place, so I don't have a flexibility to book a water can or something, and the vendor will I'll get a guarantee that the vendor will deliver the water at my place. There is no guarantee over there. So suppose like I'm placing an order at around 9:30 around, so and I'm at office, I'm not at my home. So till when I'm not reaching at my home, suppose I reached at around 12 o'clock, and suddenly I found that the vendor has not delivered the water yet. Okay, so that's where the challenge came. And coming to the vendor part also, we mingled with many vendors. Okay, and we found that what are their problems, their challenges they are facing, because a particular vendor, he is delivering, let's say, like 100 to 200 bottles in a single day. Okay, so all 200 bottles he is delivering manually. Okay, he's like scheduling all his order manually, that suppose I will deliver these places first, then I'll go to these places, and in the meantime he's keeping some of the orders. Okay, it is not his fault also, it is a normal human tendency. No one can remember all the things at once. Okay, so there needs to be a certain channel or certain structured channel which will efficient, like which will create more efficiency into this distribution channel. That's where we interacted with many of the users and many of the vendors. We understand their problems, and we tried to solve that with our application. So what our application does exactly is, so we just map the nearest vendor to a particular user. So suppose you are a user, you are placing a request at certain date and certain time. Okay, so whoever is the nearest vendor present available at that particular place, we will just map the order to that particular vendor, so that the vendor will also not get any kind of difficulty in delivering the order, and also the users need not have to wait a certain longer time to get their orders. Okay, so just we try to solve a simple problem. So you can say it is just like a Ola over Zomato for all your water needs at present.
May I know your company's vision?
Yeah. So our company vision is very simple. We are trying to provide a virtual beverage shop at the doorstep. Okay. So anything related to beverage, you can book in our application in near future, and you will get it delivered at your doorstep in no time.
May I know how better is your app than using going with the local vendors?
Yeah. So already whatever things I explained, so the local vendors are also like good. Okay, there is nothing much difference in like the local vendors and us, but yeah, we are assuring the quality first of all. Okay, and we are giving the quality guaranteed delivery, and we are giving a lot many flexible features which the normal vendor can't give manually. Okay, so at present, like a particular customer, he needs to rely on, let's say he knows only one or two vendors around his surroundings. Okay, so he has to rely only those one or two vendors. If those two vendors are not delivering the orders, he don't have an option of getting water from anywhere else. Okay, and also like coming to the bulk orders also, like suppose you have a party or you have an event at your place. Okay, so in parties, marriage functions and all, people use this 20-liter can. Okay, so they use it in bulk. So suppose you have a marriage at your place and you want 1,000 bottles at once. Okay, so at present I don't think there is a application which will deliver you 1,000 cans in a single click. Okay, so you normally, like, you have to do some Google search, or if you know some vendors, you have to manually call them, and by calling, like, let's say 5 to 10 vendors, you will get a vendor who is ready to deliver 1,000 cans to you. Okay, so these kind of problems we are solving, and that's where we are coming into the picture, and we are different from the normal vendors. Okay, we are not yeah.
Yeah, what about pricing compared to local vendors? Is it
Yeah,
competitive
pricing.
or less or high?
Yeah. So as we are mapping the nearest vendor, so we'll be also optimizing the price here. So we have a dynamic pricing feature which depends from vendor to vendor and location to location. So there might be some times where you will be getting a water can at 40 rupees, and there might be some times where you can get it at 35 rupees as well. Okay, so at present, like, people will be getting at current price only, either 40 rupees or 45 rupees. It depends from places to places. But we have a dynamic pricing which can go low as well, and which can come up with a normal pricing as well.
So how you assure quality of water? Is it up to standards?
Yeah, sure. So what we are doing is, the vendor who are registering with us, so we are manually going to their plants, and we are seeing the hygiene and the way they are manufacturing the water. So we are, after verifying all of those things, we are approving a vendor in our platform. So quality is our topmost priority, because water is a thing which like, no one wants a compromise on the quality of water. So that's where like, we are more focusing on those things, and we are delivering a quality drinking water at those steps. So we are not tying up with any random vendors who are doing some malpractices on all, because like, in our research part, we came across some vendors who are just like, delivering the tap waters in a can. So all those vendors, we are not giving them an authority to deliver through our app. So whoever are the vendors, they have a proper channel, and they have a proper system, they have a proper manufacturing unit, and they are maintaining certain hygiene standards as per the current COVID scenario. Okay, and all of our vendors are using masks, and they are also registered in Argo Setu app. And these kind of measures we are taking to provide best service to our customers.
May I know about your background, like your education, your experience?
Yeah. So, like, coming to my background, I'm a BTech graduate, passed out in 2016. But apart from BTech, I did many things. I did a course into digital marketing. I did a course into artificial intelligence. I did a course into like, IoT, and then data science. So there are many things which I learned in this near future, and I'm implementing those things to design a disruptive idea and to design a disruptive like product to solve the normal generic problems of a human being. And parallelly, we are creating a lot of employment opportunities for India.
May I know you're graduated from which university?
I'm graduated from Biju Patnaik University of Technology, which is based at Orissa. That is my hometown. So I
I think
passed
it's a
out from that.
yeah, I think it's a very good university. Coming from such a good university, without choosing means not choosing job. Why you? What motivates you to start a startup, and how do you feel?
Yeah. So like starting a company or a startup was my initial goal from a like very young age. You can say before BTech also. When I joined BTech, my focus was not to do a job after BTech, but my focus was to build something different and create a difference in the society. So most of the like every colleague or every friend of mine are doing job. Okay, every person's needs a certain amount of money to like bear their day-to-day expenses. That I understand, and I also faced that. I also did job for some time. I learned many things from that, but my ultimate goal was to do something for the society, to create a difference in the society. Like if my aim is like if Ola, Uber, Zomato, like Ola, I won't say like Uber, if he can come from US and he can operate at India, okay, why can't Indian companies go abroad and operate their services? Okay, so it's just a lag that we all are focusing on the job, we all are focusing on the MNCs. Okay, and we don't have everyone wants to do something extraordinary, everyone wants to do something of their own, but they don't put on their efforts in doing that. So that's the reason I always wanted to do a startup. I always wanted to do something different in the society, and I also have many other ideas which I'm gonna implement in the near future, and all will be like unique products and will be betterment for the society.
So it's been 1 year you have started this app, and now you have entered in a phase where human beings never faced a problem like this COVID situation. So many companies are shutting down and people are losing jobs. In this situation, you are giving jobs and you are giving interns. So how do you feel? What is your situation?
Yeah, correct. So like I also like posted some of the things in LinkedIn recently. So where like every people are losing their jobs, we are creating jobs. That is for sure. And this is a recession proof business. Let it be COVID, let it be anything. Okay. So our business not gonna stop because water is the basic necessity of a human being, and humans want water on a day-to-day basis to survive. Okay, a particular person like he might be able to survive without food also for some days, but without water no one can survive for longer time. So water is a basic necessity. Let anything come, this demand not gonna decrease, and this demand gonna increase in day by day. Okay, in near future also the demand gonna increase for sure. Okay, so that's where like we are creating a lot of job opportunities, and we are creating a job security as well. Okay, and the reason altogether is we are solving a basic problem of a human being. Okay, so that is
How
a
big is
problem
your
which they needs to like needs to be solved, and we are providing that service.
So, how big is your team and how experienced they are?
Yeah, so coming to our founders and co-founders, like I'm the founder, so you already knew about my experience. Like I have a experience in all of the domains like digital marketing, artificial intelligence, data science, IoT, and all of the latest technology trends which are going currently in the IT domain. And coming to our co-founders, so one co-founder is Aslan Hussain. So he's leading our digital marketing team, and he's handling our digital media platforms. And another one is Nikhil Kumar. So he's handling our sales and marketing team. He's handling our sales part and our marketing part, how we can establish in the market. Okay, so all of them has their respective experience into both the domains, and they're handling those domains. That's why. And coming to
Any
the
funding?
team, yeah, coming to the team, we have started we three have started 1 year back, but right now we are a team of 30 members around, and
Oh, that's
all are
really great.
yeah. So some are like into the IT domain, some are into the data science part, and some persons are into digital marketing, some persons are into sales and marketing, some people we have into the customer support part as well. So these are some of the domains we are hiring, and we have a team like that.
Okay, any funding sources that helped you financially?
Yeah, funding sources as of now, like it is bootstrap only. Like we founders and co-founders, we only have put in our money, and we have designed the product, and we are currently operating in the market. But yeah, we are approaching many investors, and we are having to and fro discussions with many of the investors, big investor firms as well. Okay, and soon we're gonna raise a good amount, I hope.
Okay, who supported you more, like parents, friends, and how they supported you?
Yeah, it's a collaboration of all, you can say, Shravan. So obviously the family supports are the basic thing, and are the base important thing in everyone's life. So yeah, my family supported me a lot. I don't have my parents from a young age. So my sister, and especially my brother-in-law, and also like my other family members, all of them supported me. And coming to my friends who are my co-founders, so they supported me a lot. And also like my other friends also, they are into my company, and they are supporting me.
What are the challenges you are facing?
Challenges, Shravan, I till now there is no big challenges we are facing which I can mention over here, because we are operating from past 1 month, and we didn't came across any such challenges, because we are trying to solve a basic problem. So challenges are not coming, but yeah, as you mentioned that COVID is affecting all the business. So COVID is somewhat affecting our marketing part, because like people are unable to go into the market physically. So that is a small challenge which we are facing, but we are solving it through digital marketing. So nothing as such, I can say.
Did you get any support from government or any other private organizations?
Nay, till date, like I didn't got any support from the government, but yeah, we are looking forward for a support from the government, because like our ultimate goal is to groom Indian economy and to boost Indian startup ecosystem. So we are just a facilitator of those things. We are trying to build a new idea, new venture in India, which can operate globally. So that's where, and also like we are looking for a government support as well.
Okay. How do you feel becoming a boss at very young age and handling a team of 30 members and with huge expectations in present COVID situation?
No, sorry, I didn't got your question.
How do you feel becoming a boss at very young age and you are handling a team of 30 members?
Uh, Nay, that's nothing like that, Shravan. So I never feel myself a boss or something, because to every of our team members, I tell them to call with my name only. Okay, so I never feel like boss, but yeah, handling a team is a very big challenging task, and I'm also learning a lot in handling those persons, or handling a great team. So nothing as such. Yeah, it's obviously like I'm feeling very good, very great, like to handle such a team at a very young age, and doing something for the betterment of the society. We'll be creating a lot of job opportunities in the near future. Like in 1 month only, we had 30 candidates. So in near future, we're gonna hire many more candidates into each and every domain. We're gonna hire delivery boys as well. So yeah, I'm getting happy that I'm doing something for the society, and I'm creating a difference in the society, and I'm giving jobs to Indians, or my
So,
people.
so how do you see the company changing from starting days to present? It's been 1 year. So how do you see? How do you see
Yeah, I
the change?
see a lot of difference. That's obvious, because initially we just started with an idea. Okay, one idea came into all of our mind. We brainstorm on that idea. We thought that what we can do, what are the challenges, what are the problems. We went into the market. We understand the challenges. We mingled with each and every vendors. We mingled with each and every users. Okay. And that was a very challenging part. And at that particular time, we didn't have anything. We just had an idea. Okay. And coming to the current scenario, you can see that from that idea we designed a product, we came into the market, and we are solving the problem, and we are operational at present, and we are delivering water to those step to the customers. Like in 1 month we captured around 300 users, 200 delivery guys, and we have successfully delivered like around 50,000 liters of water in just 1 month.
Okay, your company mainly located in Hyderabad, I guess, right?
Yeah, it is located at Hyderabad.
Okay, and currently, what are the areas your company is serving?
Yeah, so currently we are more operational into like this areas like High Tech City, Madhapur, Gachibowli, Miapur, Kukatpalli, Amitpet, SR Nagar, and most of these areas actually we have captured. We haven't gone till yet to the old city part, but yeah, soon we'll be going there as well. And there are certain places where completely the water delivery is not available. That like there is no water delivery system at these places. Like I can say Nalagunda, or you can say Patancheru. Okay, and so like coming to the other part, like at Secunderabad, so Alwal and all those kind of locations don't have a water delivery system also at present. So we'll be soon creating water delivery systems over there as well, and we'll be serving our customers over there.
May I know what are your goals?
Yeah, as I told, like my goals are very simple: to come up with a great products, to come up with a disruptive idea, and to solve a basic problem of a human. So water, as I told, like it is a basic problem of a human being. Okay, so that's where we are solving. And in the near future also, as I told, we are planning different kind of products which are solving some of the basic necessity or basic problems of every human being.
Okay, what other CEOs you look up to? Do you have any role model CEOs?
Yeah, other CEO, the list can go on, that will not end, but I'll take some few names like Sundar Pichai, Satya Nadella, or you can say Ritesh Agarwal, Bhavesh Agarwal. Okay, and coming to the overseas, I'll say Jeff Bezos, or Bill Gates. Okay, Steve Jobs. Okay, Warren Buffett. So these kind of persons, I read their stories and all, and that's where I get inspired. And coming to the role model, I'll consider as of now my brother-in-law, because like to these persons, whichever names I mentioned like previous this. So these persons I never interacted with them, but yeah, to my brother-in-law, he's also an entrepreneur from past 15 years. He's like already set up his company, and he's doing well and good in the automation industry. So I got a lot of guidance from him, and I got a lot of learnings from whatever experience he had in past 15 years of the entrepreneurship. So yeah, I somewhat consider a role model as my brother-in-law, because like that's he's the one who is inspiring me to do these things, or he's the one who's supporting me, or he's the one who is helping me in overcoming the challenges which I have.
Okay, what is the biggest risk or challenges your company is facing at this present situation?
Yeah, as I told, like the only one challenge we are facing in the physical marketing part, in the conventional marketing part, we are facing a challenge because people are unable to go into the market physically. That's only the one scenario we are facing, but rest all are going fine, well and good, and we don't have any complaints in any of the other domains.
Okay, what are your future funding plans?
Yeah, future funding plans, already like we are in to and fro discussions with many of the top venture firms and angel investment firms. Okay, so we are having a in-depth discussion with them. So yeah, soon I hope that we'll be raising our first seed round of like seed investment.
So customers who want to install your application, so how to install your application? Is it through Play Store or
Our application is available in Google Play Store. They can directly redirect to Google Play Store and they can search the water app, and they'll find our application over there. They can download the application directly from there. And the iOS users can use our website as of now, but soon we'll be launching the iOS app also.
Okay, customers who contacted through my channel, I mean my YouTube channel, who saw our video and who contacted through my channel, are you going to give any discount for them?
Okay, I didn't got the last point. Through your channel, if some customers are coming, then
yeah, if some customers are coming to you by through my channel, my YouTube channel, means who saw my our video and they contacted and they refer my name, my channel name. So will you give them any discount?
yeah, sure. We gonna reward them some reward points which they can use in placing their orders.
Okay, wonderful. Okay, thank you, Satish. I wish you all the best and success in your business. So thanks for coming to interview. All the best. Thank you.
Thanks, Ravan. It was nice talking to you. Have a safe day.